So why choose Excel? Well, to us, it's very straightforward. For us, we are looking for something that is very robust.
Yeah.
Excel has this reputation in the market. They've been around for many years. They have proven that their items are very strong. Plus, it's very convenient. The concept of Excel is to make your life easier. So by creating tidiness, which means that the result is saving time. So quality is very important. Let me tell you why. I think the mistake that many people do, they always think about cost. Don't get me wrong, it's okay.
Yeah.
But the thing is, you will realize the people that do that in the long run will complain, oh, my thing is breaking down. And if you look at Excel, I like the concept of lifetime warranty.
Yeah.
This is very attractive. It's really about duration. So for us, this really matters. So we are more about, okay, what's the quality rather than cost.
So when you have a kitchen, especially a kitchen that is very well organized, like you pull and everything is there, and when you pull a track and you can see literally what you need. So after Excel came to our lives and like literally, wow, my cooking is like magic now. It's like ching, and the food is ready. And my husband is like, food is ready. I'm like, mm-hmm.
Yeah, so there is one, I will just pick one, even though there is many, but since we need to choose one, that's the iron board. I find it very convenient because it's embedded into the carpentry. So it's folded, it takes minimum space, and then once you want to use it, it's actually, you can extend it in different pieces and iron your stuff and put it back accordingly. I think it's very convenient.
Hidden.
Yeah, it's hidden.
Most importantly, it's hidden. So will we recommend Excel to our friends? No doubt, absolutely we will, for sure, because it brings convenience to your life. That's one. Customer service is brilliant. They have a wide range of products.
They always try to make us feel very comfortable. They reassure us that things are okay, and so it makes us feel like, you know, we have a very good relationship. So it creates trust. So I think, to me, I like the responsiveness. And I can see they take me seriously, so I take them seriously too. It's a commitment thing.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.